This is Shreyash. Today's budget has been great when it comes to the path to the fiscal consolidation. In interim budget, the gross fiscal deficit to GDP was around 5.1%. From that, this budget has shown the path to 4.9, going ahead to 4.5 and 4% by 2027. It looks like we are on the right path when it comes to fiscal consolidation is concerned. And it is very important for economy because it has its repercussions on currency stability. It also has its repercussion on the money flow into the capex by way of private sector investing into it, as well as FII and FDIs into the investment mode. When it comes to the consumption part of the economy, government has given some tax benefit to middle class especially, and you will notice its implications as well. When it comes to capex, there were certain expectations that the capex will be up compared to the interim budget. However, one need to keep in mind that this capex which is announced is already 17% high on a YOY basis. So that amount is also really reasonable in our opinion. So all in all, this budget gives a path to fiscal consolidation, which is good for capex investment both by government as well as private sector, and it will have its impact on the consumption sector because of the multiplier effect. So all in all, if we look at the various segments of economy, budget's impact on it, and especially on the markets, the capex theme is definitely positive. However, this segment of the market has factored in most part of it. So you must have noticed that already the valuations are up in this part of market. On the other hand, the consumption part of economy, in certain segments, the valuations are low like FMCG, while the valuations are high in the consumer discretionary. So those pockets where the valuations are low, which are mostly into financial services, especially the private sector, FMCG and IT, where the valuations are not really elevated. So that segments from a valuation perspective looks good.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.